chart GK study. MS Excel charts and MCQ for online test. Types in Excel. First column charts. Second line chart. Third bar chart. Fourth area chart. Fifth pie or donut chart. Sixth surface chart. Chart type. When to choose this chart? Column charts. When you want to compare the multiple values across a few categories. The values are shown through vertical bars. Line chart. When you want to show the trends, ups and downs, over a period of time, like for months or years. Bar chart. Like the column chart, use this chart to compare the values across a few categories. In this chart, values are displayed in the horizontal bar. Area chart. Area chart has the same pattern as the line chart. This chart is best to use for indicating a change among different sets. Pie or donut chart. Pie chart is best to use when you want to quantify the values and show them as percentage. Surface chart. Surface chart is different than other charts. Use it when you need to analyze the optimum combination between two sets of. Column chart. Amazon company wants to see each month sell graphically and also wants to compare them. Line chart. For example, an animal company wants to analyze the population for the last 5 years graphically. Additionally, it also wants to analyze the ups and downs of each year population. Bar chart. For example, a company uses the bar chart to analyze the data through horizontal bars to represent the data graphically. You can see as well as compare the values to each other, respective to data. Bar charts are just like
For
line
example,
charts. Gaps are
A
filled
company
with color.
uses the
Easy
bar
to
chart to
analyze the
analyze
growth
the
in
data
business,
through
shows
horizontal
ups
bars
and
to
downs
represent
through
the data
pie or
graphically.
donut chart.
You can see
Rounded
as well
shaped
as
graph
compare
that
the
is
values
divided
to
into
each other,
slices of pie.
respective to
Easy
data.
to analyze which
Bar
values
chart.
make up the
For
percentage of.
example,
Surface
a
chart.
company uses the bar chart
Surface
to
chart is
analyze the
actually
data
a
through
3D
horizontal
chart
bars
as
to
landscape.
represent the
Best
data
to use with
graphically.
a large data set.
You can see
Allows
as
to
well
displaying
as
a
compare
variety
the
of
values
data
to
at
each
the
other,
same time.
respective to
MCQ
data.
for online
Bar
test.
chart.
What
For
type of chart
example,
will you use to
a
compare
company uses
performance
the
of
bar
two
chart to
employees?
analyze the
A
data through
column chart.
horizontal bars to
B.
represent the
Line
data
chart.
graphically.
C.
You
Pie
can
chart.
see as well as
D.
compare the
Dot
values
chart.
to each other,
The right
respective to
answer is
data.
B. Line chart.
Bar chart.
Example of line
For
chart.
example,
Next
a company
question.
uses bar
What
chart
type
to
of chart
analyze
is
the data
useful
through
for
horizontal
comparing
bars
values
to
over
represent the
categories?
data graphically?
A. Pie chart.
You can see as well
B.
as
Column
compare
chart.
the values to each
C.
other,
Line chart.
respective to data.
D. Dot chart.
Bar chart.
The right
For
answer is B.
example,
Column chart.
company uses the
Example
bar
of
chart
column
to
chart.
analyze the
Next
data
question.
through horizontal bars
What
to
type of
represent the
chart
data
used to
graphically.
graphically represent
You can see
expenditure?
as well as
In
compare
different
the values
departments?
to each other,
A.
respective
Column
to
chart.
data.
B.
Bar
Line
chart.
chart.
For
C. Pie
example,
chart.
a company
D.
uses
Dot
the bar
chart.
chart to
The
analyze
right
the data
answer
through
is C. Pie
horizontal
chart.
bars to represent the
Example
data
of pie
graphically.
chart.
You
Next
can see
question.
as well as compare the
What
values to
type
each
of
other,
chart will you use
respective
to
to
compare
data.
performance sales
Bar
of two
chart.
products?
For
A column
example,
chart.
A company
B. Line
uses
chart.
the bar chart to
C. Pie
analyze the
chart.
data through horizontal
both
bars
A
to
and B.
represent the data
The
graphically.
right answer is a
You
column
can
chart.
see as well as
Example
compare
of
the
column
values
chart.
to each other,
Watching.
respective to data.
Smart GK
Bar
study.
chart. For example,